find each product. We have 2 times 2 times negative 2. So first we have to concentrate on our signs. We have negative sign, and when we don't have any sign, it means that these two numbers are positive. So we have positive times positive. Always when we multiply two positive numbers, the answer must be, of course, positive. But now, from these first two numbers, we have positive number, but we multiply now with positive times negative. When we multiply positive times negative, the answer is always negative. Or when we have negative times positive, the answer is also negative. So it doesn't matter if first number is positive or the second. When we have positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer is negative. So let's come back to our example. We have positive times positive. So we have positive, and positive number times negative give me negative number. And now I have to just multiply these three numbers. We have 2 times 2 times 2. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Next example. Now we have negative. First we concentrate on the signs. So we have negative number times negative times negative. Negative number times negative build always positive. So let me write this. Negative times negative give me positive number. So from the first two numbers, when I multiply these two numbers, I will get positive number. And now I have positive times negative because we have here three numbers which we have to multiply. So positive times negative give me negative. And I have to just multiply these three numbers. 2 times 2 times 2. So this is equal negative 8. And last example, we have positive number times negative. Positive times negative give me negative. But I have third number also negative. So negative, from these two numbers I have negative sign, but the third number is also negative. So I have like negative times negative give me always positive number. And now I have to just multiply these three numbers. 2 times 2 times 2. So this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So now let's see what we get here. When we have three numbers and one was negative, the answer is negative. When we have three numbers and three negative numbers, the answer is negative. So when we have one number, when we have one number, negative, three numbers negative, so the answer is negative. And when we have two numbers negative only, the answer is positive. One number negative was three numbers negative and two numbers negative, then the answer is positive. So we can write that when we have odd numbers with negative sign, the answer is always negative. So odd numbers, it means one number negative, or 3, or 5, or 7, and so on. When we have 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, or 11, or 13, or 21 negative numbers, when we multiply them, the answer will be negative. But when we have even numbers with negative sign, the answer will be always positive, even means 2, or 4, or 6, or 8, or for example 68. Even numbers with negative sign, the answer is always positive. You have to memorize this. This is my solution.